Now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us. A flash flood watch goes into effect this afternoon. It has been trimmed a little bit. Remember yesterday when we showed this to you, it did include Greene County and a bunch of these counties here along Highway 65. They've been trimmed away as the heaviest rain is continuing to trend a tad farther eastward. So we still have that heavy rain threat, but again, it's going to really focus for counties to the east of Highway 65 and especially to the east of Highway 63. Flash flood watch in effect this afternoon and through Saturday. What that means is that we could see some heavy rain. If there are flooded roadways, you never want to drive through them. Turn around, don't drown, never play in flood waters either. This morning, not too much in the way of heavy rain yet. We've got just a couple of showers out there this morning. Again, not too much in the way of heavy rain. It is bringing in a lot of cloud cover, though. We've got some thick cloud cover out there this morning, and we'll keep thick cloud cover through the afternoon. We've got the front draped across the Ozarks, and then we've got the remnants of Gordon now in central Arkansas. These remnants going to head straight up into Missouri by this evening and interact with this front and create all of that heavy rain. As it gets up into Missouri, it's then going to turn to the east. So we've got these flash flood watches up through Arkansas, through the eastern half of Missouri, and then getting into Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. This is the track that Gordon will take throughout the next 24 to 48 hours. And of course, it's a track of very heavy rain. Look at the atmospheric moisture values. We've got very, very high contents of moisture here, way up here on this legend throughout much of Arkansas and Missouri, as we have both the front and the tropical remnants of Gordon packing this very heavy rain. So again, as we head through the day, Gordon is going to track straight up north into Missouri. By this evening, it enters into southern Missouri. It interacts with the front, and we're going to have this path of very heavy rain focused to the east because we'll have the tropical moisture coming up on the east side of the storm, and that's going to interact with the front right up in here. So pretty much from Springfield to Rolla to St. Louis, that's going to be that pathway of some of the heaviest rain that we'll see set up, especially overnight tonight into tomorrow. And then with it trending a little bit farther eastward, that means it gets out of our hair a little bit quicker too. So by tomorrow morning, we could start out with heavy rain, but by tomorrow afternoon and evening, we'll start to see the heaviest rain get out of here. We'll have clouds, a couple of spotty showers still linger. It will be really cool too. FUTURECAST, you can see these showers and rumbles of thunder continue to fill in from the south and east through the afternoon. It's going to be wet out there today. Take the umbrellas. Notice temperatures in the 70s. And then by this evening and overnight, here's that corridor, the very heavy rain setting up as the front interacts with the remnants of Gordon. You can see it's from Springfield through Rolla and then out to St. Louis. Those heavy rain remnants will linger through part of the overnight into tomorrow morning, but then head east by tomorrow afternoon. We're left with clouds and some spotty showers through the afternoon. It's still not going to be a dry day. Here's the rain forecast. That pocket of heaviest rain, 3 to 5 inches, includes places like Rolla, Eminence, Salem, just to the east of Lebanon, especially if you're east of Highway 63. 2 to 3 inches just to the east of Springfield, 1 to 2 inches in Springfield, way less than that over to the west. We still have limited to elevated flooding concerns, so please keep that in mind on the roads, especially in rural areas near those creeks and streams. The heaviest rain still Friday night, ending on Saturday. Could be breezy, generally about 1 to 3 inches area-wide with flooding possible, so please keep that in mind. 79 today with heavy rain at times, 67 overnight, keeping with that heavy rain. The heavy rain exits by tomorrow, 71 degrees there. Sunday will be mostly cloudy but dry, clearing on Monday and quiet next week.